These are our lemons that we have, and oh, I see there's a blossom on there right now. And yeah, all we do with these is we do protect them in the winter. We just bring them inside. But this one I've already picked. I just picked a lemon off of here. I'm gonna have it with my tea. And so it's got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like 7 lemons. There's another blossom. So yeah, the new leaves are just coming out again. And basically we put it inside for the winter months. And it's been producing lemons. Those lemons were all set on it last summer. So they grow through the winter. And this is a same tree. Didn't get enough water though this winter because we protected it too. So we'll have to make sure we do water them more in the winter time. Yeah, and we have another one too in a smaller pot. So try lemons. Nice fresh lemons.